Hello friends, welcome to our mega project. Do you want to design these kind of cool patterns? These are actually known as mandalas. Yes friend. So if you want to design these kind of beautiful, wonderful patterns, you should take a look at this project. Yes friend. In this mega project, we are going to take a look how we can design these kind of mandalas. So let's get started. Now, I will take you through all the steps that are needed to design these kind of mandalas. The first thing is we need some art. Say, let me open this one and let me hide this one. Okay. So yeah, here we have used these four arts. So this leaf, or you can say this type of flower, we will make it from scratch. This leaf also you can say, and this eye, and this is the art brush that we will use. So let's see. Let's go to file, create a new file, and make sure the orientation is kind of landscape. Say its width is more than its height. Now let's click on OK. So now we need some artwork. So for that, let's select the ellipse tool, and first we need the art brush. So for that, let's select the ellipse tool and draw an ellipse just like this, very thin, and make sure its fill color is black, and you can have a stroke or you can even skip it. So let's make the stroke null, and let's select this anchor point tool, and we want these points to be anchor point. So it's very thin now, just take a look. So this is the art brush that we need. So let's keep it aside. That's done. Yeah, you know that if you draw something using these kind of brush with these pointed end points, you will create really good artwork. Let's see. So we have made this. Now we need to make it an art brush. How we can do that? Make sure that your brushes panel is checked. Here is the one. Let's bring it here, select it and drag it here, and for the new brush we will make it art brush. Now let's click on OK, and width we can also make it we can also change it, so that's not important for now. Now let's select the brush tool and let's draw some strokes and see. Now let's double click on this art brush which you have created, and now let's reduce the width and see. See, it's really very cool, right? Let's click on apply to strokes and see. Okay, so this is just for illustration purpose I am showing you. Let's delete all of these. Okay, so this is our brush which we have created, right? This art brush. Now the second thing that we need is eye. Okay, so I'm just showing you that these are the steps which you can follow. The first one is create your artworks first. Okay, so now we are going to create, now we are going to design an eye. No stroke. Using anchor point tool we are making these points, and yep, and I'm thinking to make its fill null and stroke black. Yup. Now using the ellipse tool, let's draw the eyeball. It will be a perfect circle. Its fill will be black and no stroke. Okay, and just put it like this. So our eye is ready. Next, we need a leaf. And how we can create a leaf? Just draw something like this. Select this anchor point tool and just click on at a single point. I mean one of these 2 points. Now using the direct selection tool, select this anchor point and using the up arrow key, move it up. Just like this. Okay. And I think we need to reduce all of these sizes because these are really big. Yup, okay. Yeah, actually I am shrinking all of these sizes because whenever we'll be using these as symbols, yes, we are going to make these symbols. So when we will be using these as symbols, those sizes will be really big, and of course we can reduce the size there also. So even that's not an issue also. So yeah, you can even do that later also. Okay, so now using the arc tool, let's draw an arc just like this. And remember that while you draw an arc, you can change the arc shape using the up arrow key or the down arrow key. Okay, now let's provide a stroke of black, and I think there is another arc here. Yup, so let's delete it. Okay, and now let's bring it here, and here we'll be having 2 leaves and 2 spirals. Yeah, let's draw a spiral. One at here, another set here, and you can even change the width profile. Let's make it this one. Also select this one, make its width profile this one, increase the stroke, also select this one. Yep, okay. And also let's change the width profile of this one. Yeah, now we need some leaf. You can also use this one. So press Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl F to paste in front. Let's bring it here. Ctrl C, Ctrl F to paste another. And let's bring it here and let's rotate it. Okay, and even you can copy it one more time. So press Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Let's bring it here. Shrink its size and let's rotate it to place it at the top. Just like this. Yep. Okay. Let's zoom in. Yep. Okay. That's fine. So we have created all the artworks, right? And that's it. Here I'll be concluding this lecture. From our next lecture, we will proceed further. So, yep, I think we have created all of these. Nothing is remaining, right? Yep, you can add many as your wish to make a really complex mandala. Yes, you can do that, but since this is your first project for mandala, I am just keeping it like this, and you will really learn a really cool stuff later on. Okay, so here I am concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.